Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T, you see what we got. Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Now, you know I run these all the time. If you've seen my videos, we're going to walk through this step by step. So if you want to watch this video to install your screen protector on your S10e, then hopefully it'll help you out, man. So first things first, you already seen it, man. Of course, this comes with everything you need. I know it's a little intimidating, but just follow the video, trust the process, man, and we're going to get through it. So first things first, let's go ahead and get everything up out of the packaging. All right, so everything is about the packaging. I have everything off to the side, and I'm going to show you what to do step by step. So you already know, go ahead and power your phone off. I always turn mine off before I even start the installation. Now, the first thing is what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab one of these alcohol swabs, and basically what you want to do is you just want to clean your screen off. So get all those fingerprints, whatever you have on it, just simply give it a nice little wipe down and go ahead and clear all the fingerprints and all of the residue that is on your screen. So there it is. Everything is clean. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and grab one of these included little microfibers, and you want to just wipe the screen down. Just remove any of that excess alcohol that you have. Don't really got to do a lot of wiping because these do a very good job getting all of the debris off just fine. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to take these little stickers. Now, basically what these stickers do is one covers up your speaker up here, and the other one I usually put down here over the actual power adapter. So what we're going to do, going to go ahead and peel one off. We're going to go ahead and pick it up. Now, I am doing this behind the tripod, so you already know sometimes it can be a little tricky. So basically what you want to do is put that right on the edge. Cool. So you can see it right there. It is right on the edge of that screen protector. Now, it shouldn't adhere. It shouldn't do anything. It shouldn't really mess it up. Just pay attention. Get it right on the edge. Line it up with that speaker grill. You want to kind of fold this over. Then you want to go ahead and grab the second one. All right. Then you want to just kind of place it right over the actual Type-C adapter. I'm not sure if that's exactly how it usually goes, but that's how I put mine on when I install them, man. So just stay with me, follow me. Then next, you want to go ahead and grab your frame. This is what you're going to be setting your S10 in. Be sure it's all facing the right direction. It will say S10e, and it does say speaker up top to let you know you do have it in the right position. So what I do, I'll just go ahead and slide it in basically like that. And once it's in, you'll know it's in the right way. It doesn't do really moving around or anything like that. Now, next thing, go ahead and lift it up. It's not really going to go anywhere, but you want to actually look at your device one more time to make sure you have all of that debris and everything off of the device, man. So just do one last wipe down. Make sure it all is clean. Make sure you don't have any debris that's going to be stuck under there once you adhere that glue to it. So you want to make sure everything is nice and clean. Next step, you want to go ahead and take your dust remover sticker and just turn it at the light. And if you see any dust particles or anything whatsoever, you want to go ahead and press down on it, and then you'll basically go ahead and remove them. But I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. Right now, mine looks pretty good. I really can't see many dust particles, so I think we're pretty much good, man. We're gonna leave it like that. So everything should be nice and clean, ready for installation. Now, next up, you want to go ahead and grab your frame to place on the top of your S10. Now, make sure it is the right side up. It says S10 here and speaker here. It should follow the orientation of the bottom frame. Now, mine already had these little cloth enclosures, so the glue really won't get in between the phones. So what you want to do is just place it down on there like that, and you should be good to go. It should already have a free rocking motion. Next thing, let's go ahead and grab your bridge, and you want to go ahead and put the bridge, boom, just right there in those slots. Now that's going to be where actually your glue will go into. So you want to take your glue, always remove the colored top first, never the bottom part. Always going to do the colored top first. Let's go ahead and unscrew it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the actual thing. Now you can kind of screw it in. Usually it doesn't screw, but let's go ahead and put that in. All right, next thing up, let's go ahead and screw the black cap. Now once you unscrew this, the glue will actually go ahead and release, and you can see there the glue is actually dropping onto the screen. What you want to do is just give it a little few taps so you can get that remainder of the glue out, and you should be pretty much good. Once you give it a few taps, you can go ahead and remove the actual bridge and just go ahead and shake one good time, and everything should come out just fine. So now you have the glue on your screen. All right, the next step is grab your screen protector, and of course you're going to go ahead and peel the bottom off here. All right, cool. So basically what you want to do, of course, line it up, pinhole to the pinhole, and basically what you want to do is you want to set it on top of the little tab up here. So basically what you want to do is set it up top of the tab, Make sure everything is lined up perfectly fine. It should be good to go. No issues. She ready to drop onto the actual screen. So what you're going to do is you want to tilt the screen. This is what this little indentation right here is for. So you want to go ahead and tilt the whole mechanism. Let that get about halfway down. And once it gets halfway, there you go. It was a little hard to pull, but you got to pull it. And I'm glad Whitestone Dome went back to the pull tab. Excellent move going back to the pull tab. So basically what you want to do is go ahead and let this adhere all the way down. Now you see it's already reached the bottom. Just go ahead and let the gravity do its thing and let the glue reach the top. And if you want to, you can kind of help it out a little bit. You can kind of lift it up and give it a little push. And that's kind of usually what I do. Just lift it up, let it do its thing, give it a little push, and we should be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and let the gravity do its thing. We'll come back to it when it's all the way fully adhered. All right, so after the glue fully adheres, man, your next step is what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab their UV light. Go ahead and plug it into some power source, man, and we're going to go ahead and start the glue curing process. All right, so with the UV light plugged in, we're going to go ahead and power it on. And basically what we're going to do is 15 seconds on each section. And the way I like to do it is break it down in 3 sections. We got the top, the middle, and the bottom portion. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and speed through this, man. You don't gotta really sit and watch this. All right, so the next thing up, man, we're gonna go ahead and take the frame off. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and lift your top frame off. And it might be stuck on a little bit, man, but that's not too bad. So go ahead and lift that off. And then we can go ahead and take the S10e up out of the bottom frame. Now, last thing up, man, you want to cure this again, but this time we're going to let it sit for 30 seconds. And like we did 15 last time, this time we're going to go ahead and do 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so after you take it out, you remove all your plastic, man, you are greeted with the Whitestone Dome installed on your Samsung Galaxy S10e. Now, I'm going to tell you right offhand, this is not my best installation, man. I had a hard time with bubbles. So you see, I do have a bunch of micro bubbles. Not sure what went wrong. This is literally the first time that has happened to me, man. Absolutely driving me crazy. So what I might do is I might pick up another one and see if I could do another installation. But for right now, I am going to go ahead and post this because you guys can still be able to get a good installation out of it. Not really sure what happened to mine, man, but it's all good. So here is the Whitestone Dome, man, and using all of the functions, everything on the touch screen works perfectly fine. No issues whatsoever with touch detection or anything like that. Everything is perfectly fine. Go ahead and swapping over to the camera. And boom, you can see me right here. Nothing is really in the way. Everything is completely fine. So everything is fine, man. So I just want to show you that. But yeah, man. So here it is, Whitestone Dome for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Like I said, man, follow these directions and everything should be perfectly fine. The cutout it may seem like it's a little off center, but that's just the way the glare is picking up. The cutout is perfectly fine. It's just that I have a few bubbles in the installation. But you already know, man, technically T, I will leave the link down below for the Whitestone Dome for the S10e. Be sure to like this video, comment down below. If you followed this video and you installed yours with no issues, let me know down below, man. I'll still be glad that somebody got some installation and some good use out of it, man. But technically T, I'm up out of here. Definitely smash that subscribe button for more content on the Samsung Galaxy S10e, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Later.